Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this cinematic zoom and rotate effects in CapCut. So in here, you can just add your video like this. Okay, I'm going to first split the video so that it doesn't have a long duration. But you can always use this for a long duration video. Okay, after that you can just click on the video and then zoom it in and rotate it like this. Rotate it slightly like this. You can rotate it to the right or left, that's up to you. Okay, and after that go to the beginning of the clip and add a keyframe and go to the end and then move back the video into its original position. Okay, so rotate it again like this and zoom out. And after that you'll have this zoom and rotate effects on your video. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.